Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I've decided to get this mole removed. All these years I had it and it was not a big problem because it was small, but now it has started to become really big. Gotta get removed. So today I've decided to get rid of it. For that, I have fixed an appointment in a clinic which is in Panjim. Come with me. Let's go. So we have reached the clinic and my treatment starts now. They have put an anesthesia already and they slowly start to laser off the mole. It is painless. I couldn't feel any pain at all. And after they were done lasering it off, there was slight bleeding because of which they had to put a skin graft over it. After this, they applied an ointment. This is the healing process day wise. As you can see, from day 6, it becomes pretty good and it's not noticeable at all. Just wanted to share my overall experience. It's been 22 days since I got my mole removed. So, like you can see now, it is not visible at all. Procedure. So, the procedure was pretty simple. So, I didn't do consultation because I was sure as hell that I want to get that thing removed. And it was like one of those aesthetic skin clinic, those with certified doctors, of course. So dermatologist, of course. So he told me during consultation only that most of the time when they remove the mole, it is a mostly 90% of the case it is a non-bleeder. That is when they laser it out, there's a skin beneath it and there is no bleeding at all. But in 10% or 20% of the cases there can be bleeding, but once they lasered it out there was a bleeding, and he told me that if there is a bleeding they would put a skin graft over it, and that would cost a little extra, which I agreed
Mm-hmm.
upon. They did it in like 10-15 minutes only, it was done. It was pretty smooth. The main procedure was they put a injection, a syringe to numb that mole, and then they laser it out. So it is pain free. There was no pain at all. So that was a good part. I was thinking that only, that if it would be painful and all, but it was no pain. The entire thing, this whole area was numb, so I couldn't feel any pain. It started to bleed. It looked little scary, I would say that. Aftercare. So after I got that thing done, my doctor told me that you should not put hot water, you should not put soap over it, and he had prescribed me one ointment which I was supposed to put 6 times a day, which I followed, and also he told me to put sunscreen every hour, which I followed religiously. So yeah, so those were the restrictions. Pricing. So it would cost 2,300 from the place where I got it done for my mole size. But since he put a skin graft over it, so that so they added 600 rupees extra, so it costed me a total of 2,900 rupees. And then there was ointment which I think costed some 200 rupees, and sunscreen I already had, so that was the total cost of the entire process. Healing time. So it takes, I would say, after 7 days, you cannot make it out that there was something at that place. Like, this is so after 22 days, but I've inserted clips where you can see, like, people cannot make out that there was something. The final tips and suggestions. So, my only suggestion would be to go to a certified doctor or a good clinic to get these sort of mole removal or any skin related treatment done. If you go to a place where people are not that experienced or the hygiene is not proper, it can get septic and you don't know what can happen. So, I would recommend definitely to go to a certified good clinic for all these procedures. And my second point would be that avoid sun, even though you're wearing sunscreen and covering the face and all. If possible, don't go in the sun at least for 1 week. Don't expose that area directly in sun, even if you're wearing the sunscreen. Apart from that, yeah, apart from that, follow the instructions given by the doctor properly, like apply the cream or whatever care they told you to take properly, because that can speeden up the process and it won't leave any scar. If you skip something, it might leave a scar or something. So that is there. There's no foundation that I'm finally unmole. Bye.